Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Coach Michael Burt. Missed you guys. Was covered up last week flying into, number one, I'm Coach Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach. I believe a good coach can change your life. I was covered up last week trying to get into, do the big Supreme Lending Rally and then Monster Nation. So, good morning. I'm in West Palm Beach, Florida. Here to do some coaching today with the insurance company. And I woke up this morning, man, after Monster Nation, and I just asked myself a question, man. How do you keep going? How do you keep going? And keep going. And keep going. And the biggest thing is this. If there was a strategy that I used for Eddie Blanton to keep going, it's number one, to understand the concept of muscle memory. We did this in sports because we would shoot a lot of shots. And because we shot a lot of shots, you would learn how to just go, right? You didn't have to think about it. Actually, the more you think about it, the more problems you can have. Business, money follows energy. Money follows movement. Money follows circulation. So the way you keep going is you just get into action. And the word motivation means to move, Freddie Blanton. So what I do, it's like, all right, man, Monster Nation is over. That was good. Everybody's excited. Let's go back and help as many people as we can, and then let's get moving. Let's go to West Palm Beach, and let's go to Denver. Then let's do this. Let's just keep meeting cool people and keep doing bigger things. Let's remember the B. Let's keep going back to our big B goal. And let's ask ourselves, are our actions in alignment with where we're trying to get to? Okay, with my monster producers, I'm working on this concept called your level 10 opportunity. It's your big idea. So you wake up today, your mind goes, it's Monday, I got to go through the motions, I got to get through this, I got blah, 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 blah. Your mind is not focused on that big opportunity. You got to keep that right in front of your face, and you got to take physical steps toward toward the creation that you created in your mind, guys. That's how you got to do it, okay? So the way I keep going is what I learned in sports, man. We get up, we show up, we grow up, and we deliver. We don't whine, we don't complain, and we don't make excuses. On the other side of discomfort is a greater intimacy with our potential. We all want to have an encounter with our potential. So, I'm in West Palm, folks. Sweating this morning because it's already hot. I'm going to have a great day because I decided it's going to be a great day. That's how you got to keep going. Keep rolling, keep moving, keep pushing. Okay? Let's make it a great day. Love you guys.